Hello, hello, how's everyone doing today? I hope that you're having an absolutely wonderful day. It is time to unbox my winter FabFitFun. I admit I have gotten in here and taken one thing out already that is already in use. I'll let you know when I get to it. Before I start unboxing, the tea of the day is Tote Classic Chai, which I'm gonna short rant here, just short. So Tote used to have a few different varieties of chai. They had their classic chai, the organic chai, and then like Oprah's chai. This is the classic one, which actually I prefer the organic chai because it was the most peppery. I haven't been able to find it. I don't know if Tote discontinued it, but again, why? Classic chai is good, it's just not the best. Okay, so let's get into my FabFitFun box. So this year I did again sign up as an annual member, which meant I got to customize my entire box, which to me makes it so much worth it because that way I don't end up with stuff that I don't want or that I feel like I can't like give to people. Like sometimes you end up with weird random things and you're like, who am I gonna give this to? Like, I don't want it. But this way, being able to customize my whole box makes it so much more easy or better for me. So anyway, it comes with a magazine with info about all of the things on the inside, and then it comes with a whole bunch of like coupons for other subscription boxes, including one of my favorites. I saw a coupon in here for Sip Spy. I was like, oh, Sip Spy is big enough to get featured in FabFitFun. I thought that was really cool. We have a bunch of these thingies. So on the very, very top is the one thing that I have gotten into already. So this I specifically chose for my daughter. So this is from Glow by Day, and this is called the Premium Satin Bonnets, and it came with two of them. One is still in the package here and one that is out, and she did use it one night already. So this is for like sleeping. You put it over your hair. It's supposed to protect your hair from frizz. My daughter does have very curly hair. Sorry, my dog was barking. My daughter has very curly hair, and the hope was that this would help keep her style overnight, but I don't know, we need to go on like a YouTube tutorial on how to use sleep bonnets like this, because it came off her head in the middle of the night and therefore did not work. They are reversible. It has a really beautiful like teal color on the inside, and the other one is the same thing. It has this another really pretty, it has like a bird of paradise flower pattern, and this one turns inside out to a very pretty satin pink color. Anyway, I really hope we can figure these out. They feel nice, high quality. We haven't used these before, so I guess I don't know, but they do feel very nice. I did choose an extra item for an extra cost, but since I was getting that for her and there was something in that category that I wanted for myself. So this is, I'm so excited to open it, from Soya Kyo. And I think it's like a poncho wrap type thing. Ooh, it feels nice and snuggly and warm, which this time of year is basically all I care about. Ah, yes. 'Tis a shawl. A very, very nice, large shawl. I probably won't be wearing it anywhere, but I probably will be wrapping myself in it for TV watching. I'm a fan of blankets that can be worn. Let's see if I can back up a little bit here to give you a better indication of how big it is. It has a beautiful fringe. Can you see the fringe? And it's nice. Yes, definitely something I will be using this winter. Okay, so next there is this Iperi Milk frother. When I saw that was an option, I thought that was really cool. I used to have one of these and I don't know what happened to mine. And I probably will use this for all of my matcha latte making that I do. So it comes with two AA batteries. One thing it doesn't have is I wish it had a stand, but whatever. I like the color. It's like a really pretty, I don't know, what color would you call that? I'm thinking like stone blue, stone teal, muted teal. Like, I don't even know, more green. Like, I don't know. But I'm excited about this. This is something that I will use all the time. I think I lost my last one during our last move. It's gone forever. Next, I have a hair item from Briogeo. This is the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. It doesn't have sulfates, silicones, or parabens, but I do really like any products I've tried so far from Briogeo. I think they're a very nice brand. Let's see if I can open it to sniff it. Oh my, it's very on there tightly. Maybe I can't. Yeah, it smells good. I feel like I do already have a few products like this in my stash, but in the category this was in. This was the item I wanted the most, so that we have. But again, I'm not mad at it. It's a brand that I do enjoy. Next, we have a wintry item. In this category, I could choose a hat, which meant I'm gonna choose the hat. This is from Michael Kors. So it is a soft gray. It has the Michael Kors insignia right there, which I don't really care about, but whatever. What I do like is I love a hat with a pom-pom on top. What do we think? It's a little droopy, which actually is kind of fun. I don't know. It's a little big for my head, but that's okay. That means that if I'm wearing a ponytail, it'll fit in there. This will definitely get use. We wear hats all winter long. We are hat people. Ooh, and these kind of slid to the sides. These are like little stickers that FabFitFun sent, which I might take one of those and put on my laptop. It's pretty cute. The next item I chose, again, I like to make my winter box as cozy as possible. I got a scarf. So I have a wearable poncho blanket thing, shawl, I have a hat, and I have a scarf. This is from Lucky brand, I think. Yes, Lucky brand Los Angeles. Ooh, I had a feeling this would be even nicer than it looked, and I think it is. It's a beautiful charcoal gray, and ooh, it's nice and soft. It feels luxurious. I'm gonna stand back here again so you can see. Pretend you can't see my sloth pajama pants. Look, ooh, it's nice and wide, which makes it really, really nice for layering up next to the neck. Ooh, I love it. I love the fringe. Like, this is a really nice dressy scarf. I wonder how it looks like this. I often wear my scarves wrapped around like this. Ooh, yes. Really, really nice. Oh, I love it. It'll block out the wind from the neck. Very, very beautiful. Okay, and for the last item in here, I got a tote, which FabFitFun seems to like putting totes in their boxes, and I usually pick something else, but I actually kind of liked how this one looked. So this is the Herschel Supply Company tote. Yes, it feels like a nice, sturdy canvas material. There's a thingy on there. It is zippered on the top. The inside, there's lots of room, and there are little pockets in there, which I often don't use those little pockets. I feel like they're not big enough for anything. Maybe a phone. Maybe, but this is like a nice laptop bag. So, and I like the color. What do you think? Stone pink, beigey pink. Yeah, I'm happy with this choice. This is definitely something I will use. All right, that was my entire box. Again, since I got to curate the whole thing, I wanted to make it as wintry as possible. I got all the cozy things, and I love this box. The fall box and the winter box are my favorites. Spring and summer, I'm always like, I like some things in them, other things I'm not so keen on. But I'm just hoping that their boxes continue to give as many awesome options now. They offer so many more options than they used to. So if you do pay for a year up front and you get to customize your whole box, there's a pretty good chance that you'll be able to find things that you like. So I'm pretty happy with mine. If you got FabFitFun this winter, and what did you choose? What did you get? I'm super curious about reviews about the other stuff that came in the box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you very soon in my next video. There was a cat hair stuck to my lip for I don't know how long. I'm sure you guys could see it. Okay, we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.